All right, you guys. I am ready to go back all platinum. I have had this rootage type of hair, the ombre look for a while now, and I'm just kind of getting bored of it and kind of getting sick of it, you know? Can you relate? Has anybody had that problem before? Because yeah, I've been kind of trying to decide if I just wanted to brighten up, you know, my blonde or just go back platinum. And I feel like at this point, I just need to go back all platinum and kind of start fresh. And maybe in a couple months, I can regrow the roots out. I don't know. I'm just like at that like bored point where I feel like my hair just kind of looks dull and it just needs that freshness. And I also kind of want to throw in color panels and stuff every now and then. I feel like it's just not working in here. I actually really like the way my hair looks out in the sun or in person even. In my filming room and stuff, it drives me literally insane because I have this like gold band up here that doesn't exist in real life, but in here it does. It's just weird, and that's where I have to look at it most of the time because I'm editing all these videos. So to sum up this long-winded intro, I want to go platinum today, and I want to take you guys along with me. I'll do it kind of like vlog style, take you to my bathroom and show you how I am going back platinum. Now, I want to say I am a licensed cosmetologist. I have been for over 10 years now, but I haven't practiced in a few years. So it's been a minute, but you know, I still have my toolkit back in my brain of how to do this. If you are looking to do this at home yourself, you know, just be cautious, take precautions. Going platinum is not an easy feat, and there's lots of different things to keep in mind when you're going through it. I'm gonna kind of speed through this to give you like a gist of it, but just be careful because your scalp is delicate, your hair is delicate, and the bleach is not forgiving. P.S. If you just stumbled upon my channel, I am Ashley Ellix, formerly AEHM Artistry. I am a cruelty-free beauty YouTuber here on the tube, and if you want to subscribe, you can at any point in time. But enough chit-chat, enough jibber-jabbing. If you want to see me transform my hair from what I think is kind of dull and almost green all the way to platinum, then you're in the right place, and all you need to do now is sit back, hang tight, and keep watching. Boop. All right, you guys, come along with me, come fly with me. All right, welcome to my bathroom. The lighting is gonna be weird. I had to mess around with camera settings and just use the regular bathroom lighting because that's all that will fit in my little corner right here. So we are gonna get started. First of all, I threw on just like a whatever shirt because I'm a little bit messy. Sometimes I get bleached. You can tell this is like my hair coloring shirt. I think if you do your hair color at home, we all have those shirts, you know? Let me know if you have one. Also, I have these mirrors in my bathroom. So I have two, one right there, and I can like pull them out. So I'm going to be utilizing that. It's a little more difficult to do the back of your head if you're trying to do this yourself and you don't have mirrors or a friend that you can trust to not overlap the bleach, because do not overlap the bleach, because that is the biggest downfall of going platinum or bleaching your hair, because then you get lots of breakage and stuff. So just a little tip. So here is what we are working with right now. So like I said, lots of rootage with that ombre. I even threw in some highlights last month, so that's gonna be fun to have to go around. Really cool that I did that. There's not that many though, but yeah, so lots of roots. This all down here was platinum at one point, so I do need to be careful not to bleach any of that too much. It's really focused on the roots today, and then a little bit of brightening at the end. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix up my bleach and then section off my hair and show you guys what the next step would be. All right, hair is clipped, looking funky fresh, and bleach is mixed. Now I use Pulp Riot, but again, I am a licensed stylist, so I can get it at Salon Centric. I'm tired. While I'm doing my hair, I'm feeling that moment of regret where it's like, I know I really like my hair platinum, but it's like, I hate how in certain lightings I love my hair and in certain lightings I like hate it. You know? But I just need to do it. I want to do it. I'm gonna just fresh start, baby. Fresh freaking start 2020. Enough of that. Let me go ahead and get started now. So like I said, I have some highlights kind of mixed through in. It's not a lot, but I do need to go around those a little bit. So this isn't like a tutorial, but I'm just kind of like showing you the process and some like little tips and tricks. If you've ever heard the term hot roots before, what that is, it's where the roots process at different times. So the hair right against your roots is going to process faster because the heat on your head will process the bleach faster. So I want to give it a little bit of space when I go through, and then after I apply it everywhere and avoiding the pre-highlighted hair, avoiding the pre-bleached hair, then I'll go back in and place it on the actual roots to help try to match the processing time and help them meet in the middle, because we don't want to have, you know, white roots, red roots, and then, you know, the blonde. So that's what the process is gonna be. So sit back, check it out, watch it, have a snack, whatever it is. This is gonna be a while for me, but it's gonna be quick for you. Oh, also, yeah, you probably should wear gloves, but I don't when I do it on myself. I will later though, when I get down to the everything. I just be very careful and try not to get too much bleach on my hands, you know? There we go. Anyways, back to applying. Now to avoid dry out of the bleach, what I do is I pull my hair back here, like that, but I still keep them separated because I have to go back through later. I want to keep it nice and organized. And I take this little plastic processing cap, pop it right over that, because I don't want the bleach to dry out, because once it starts drying out, it doesn't work as effectively. I started in the back because your back of your head actually takes longer to process than your front, so that is why I did it that way. Also, I want to make sure I take very good care around my hairline, because that hair around the hairline typically tends to be very fragile compared to the rest of your hair. So I just want to keep that in mind as I go through it. Well, if this isn't a look and a half, I don't know what is, quite frankly. What era is this channeling? What's going on here? Am I Little House on the Prairie all of a sudden? Processing, nice. I'm going to let this all process for about 15 minutes and then I'll check it. Then I'm gonna go ahead and start reapplying the bleach onto the roots at that point. So, be back in a jiffy jam. It's just like fashion today. Fashion, 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 fashion. Something I like about doing my hair at home is I can do, you know, work around the house while everything's processing. So I have all these laundries to fold, so I'm gonna do that. All right, let's see. All right, so that was the last part. Yeah, so back here is what I'm really looking at. It's definitely starting to process, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on the roots and then process some more. It's all a process, you guys, all a process. Feel the process working. Everything is happening. All right, I'm going to go fold some more laundry and let this process. I'm gonna check back in about 20 minutes and see how it looks. Bippity boppity boo. 20 minutes later. All right, it's been 20 minutes. Are you used to this, Ashley, yet? Because I'll never get used to it. Oh, I also made a smoothie too. So yeah, again, another bonus of doing your hair at home is you can get your errands done around the house. Not errands, chores. Chores? I don't like calling them chores. Things to do, checked off my list around the house. And you can make a smoothie. I'm doing like 3 different things at once right now. It's great. Sorry, I wasn't filming it, but I checked my hair after the 20 minutes and there was a couple areas that needed some kind of refreshing. So I just went through with the bleach and just went through each and every section and reapplied where needed and everything and make sure nothing was drying out. Like I said, it's kind of a process when you're going platinum to just make sure everything's lifting as evenly as possible. So right now I'm just waiting until it gets to that really light yellow, almost white, but not quite, because once it gets too white then it can start breaking, and then I'm gonna rinse it out and do some toner. So now it's just a waiting game. I'll see you in a bit. All right. See. Okay, so here's the thing. It's looking pretty good. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna wash my hair really quickly. I have to go pick up my daughter at school, so I need to be done for now, and it's gonna be a hat day the rest of the time. I'm gonna come back later and see if I need to retouch anything, or else I gotta just do toner. I would actually leave it on longer, honestly, if I didn't have to go leave and pick her up, but this is just real life, baby. This is what's going on. So I'll be back in a little while. Well, 0.3 seconds for you guys. I wanted to make that as like weird and creepy as possible. Okay, so this is what we're left with. Trust the process. Don't click away yet. It's gonna work out, okay? All right, so, and it's also because I'm not wearing makeup and it just looks really intense and fluffy and just, wow. Okay, so I have a little bit of orange here on there. Like I said, if I left it on the full amount of time that I needed to, maybe like 10 more minutes, this wouldn't be a problem. But life called and I had to answer. So I had to go do that really quickly. I'm just gonna put a little bit of bleach on sparingly, really carefully, just in the areas that I need it, like in this area right there. This is like my problem area right here. So I'm gonna go do that really quickly and I'll be back again. Again, this is lots of back and forth here. I forgot to mention, right before I jumped into the shower, I did do a bleach wash on my ends just to brighten it a little bit. It looks super fluffy and damaged right now, but it's actually not. It's just because I didn't put any conditioner in my hair, which I did that so that the toner can absorb better into my hair. And then having to blow dry it without any kind of conditioner or smoothing products in it, that's what happens. So don't worry, it's gonna be fine. I've done this to my hair. Like I went from like fire engine red to platinum. I mean, I let it fade for a couple months, but you know, I've had to get red out of my hair and this was just my roots. Like this isn't even a big deal. So it's gonna be fine, guys. It's gonna be fine. Like I said, theme of the video, trust the process. I'll see you in a bit. All right, no designated amount of time. I'm just gonna chill right here in front of my mirror and just keep an eye on it, because as soon as it matches the rest, I'm gonna rinse out and I'm gonna apply the toner. For toner, what I put it? I got the Pravana Chroma Silks. Again, you have to be licensed to get it, but I got the shade Pearl and Violet. My friend that's also a stylist suggested that I do Pearl, and I just want a touch of violet. That's just how I like it. I like it to lean a little more in that lavendery family of platinum. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'll be back when it's all on. All right, toner is on and I have like 30 seconds left, but what I did is I focused it right up on the roots where it was like a little bit still more yellowish, because the rest was already previously lightened, so that wasn't a big deal. Popped it on the roots, and then by the time I was done putting on the roots, I put it all over, and now it's processing pretty evenly. It's okay that it's like a little purpley looking once I rinse it and dry it and everything. Hopefully it'll be perfection, but I gotta go wash now, and it'll take 9 hours to rinse. It takes, the thing about washing your hair is it's not the action of washing it, it's the rinsing and rinsing and rinsing until you feel like all the shampoo and conditioner is out. Am I right? And, oh, perfect timing. All right, let us check it out. Ooh, yes! Okay, all right. Okay, it's wet right now, so you don't get the full story. I'm in my PJs though. I am done for the day, you guys. I am tired and I need to go make dinner. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what everything looks like, all done and styled up with makeup and everything on, which I'm gonna be doing tomorrow, but you're gonna see in just a sec, okay? All right, you guys, I am back and a very platinum now. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. I know this sounds crazy, but I kind of feel like myself again. I was missing that bright, bright, bright platinum blonde, and I am here for it. What I ended up having to do, after I blow dried my hair after doing the first round of toner, I noticed I did have a little tiny bit of yellow here and there, mostly like on the roots. So I did one more round of toner just using the violet shade in the Express Tones from Pravana, and that helped to just kind of make it a little bit more intense, and I am like loving it now. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I like my platinum personally to lean more on this silver violet, so you'll see like as my hair shifts, it's almost kind of like this iridescent type of platinum where it picks up all the different tones and this and that, and I'm just so excited, and it looks much better in my filming room now, which I'm so excited. So I'll throw up the little side-by-side comparison to show you guys the before and afters, because that's just satisfying in my opinion. So I am so excited. I know of a lot of good purple toning shampoos to help maintain platinum and blonde and help it from getting too brassy. So there'll be a video coming up in the next couple weeks kind of going over my favorites and fails, because I've had some that just like are no bueno, but I have a lot that I really, really, really like and I would love to share with you guys. So with that said, if you are new to my channel and you just stumbled upon my video here, I would love it if you would consider subscribing. That way you get notified when I post more videos, which is about 3 times a week, all cruelty-free and all beauty related as well. Thank you so much, you guys, for stopping by today, and I hope that every single one of you out there, every single one of you, go ahead and have a great, freaking awesome, wonderful, beautiful day. Oh my gosh. So have you ever heard the herd? If you've ever heard the herd, yes. Yeah. All right. Bless you, Barbie.